Now at 5, new demolition work is underway right now following the Key Bridge collapse.
And WJZ investigator Mike Helgren has been following this story closely. Crews had to use saw cutters to slice the remaining bridge roadway into pieces that can be easily moved there. That concrete will then be reused for access roads.
And this work comes as a new twist in the legal battle unfolds, with the owner of the Dali ship that struck the bridge filing a new lawsuit against the ship's manufacturer.
And welcome into the news at 5, everyone. I'm Rick Ritter.
And I'm Nikki Zizaza. Both Dali's owners and operators claim the ship was defective and a poorly secured cable caused the electrical system to lose power with deadly results last year.
And WJZ investigator Mike Helgren live at Port Covington at 5 o'clock with the loose connection now that the Dali's owner is blaming for this deadly bridge collapse. Mike, good evening.
Good evening, Rick. Good evening, Nikki. A loose wire, a loose cable in the switchboard led to a cascading series of failures. That is what the Dali's owner is saying, and they also say in this new lawsuit that the 10-year-old ship was built defectively from the start. On the massive Dali cargo ship, this single small signal wire, node 381, led to the catastrophic power failure, according to a new lawsuit WJZ Investigates reviewed. The Dali's owner, Grace Ocean Private Limited, and operator Synergy Marine are suing Hyundai Heavy Industries, which built the Dali, in federal court in Pennsylvania. The lawsuit says Hyundai Heavy Industries defectively designed the switchboard, claiming a design defect caused the switchboard and the vessel to be unreasonably dangerous. As a result, the Dali suffered a power outage that led to the collision with the Key Bridge. John Fulweiler is a maritime attorney with decades of experience.
That's really what they're charged with, trying to do everything they can within the bounds of the law to promote and protect their clients' interests. So I'm not surprised to see this filing.
According to the lawsuit, Hyundai placed this thick white label too close to the end of the cable, so it came loose, opening a circuit breaker and causing the initial loss of power to the switchboard. The other cable has no such label, and you can see it fits deeper into the terminal block, making it less likely to come loose. The Dali was 9 years old at the time, and proving Hyundai was negligent could be an uphill battle.
What was the extent of the inspection, the frequency of the inspections? What modifications or repairs, if any, were done to this panel where this node was located?
It is one of several ongoing legal actions in one of the biggest, most complex maritime cases in U.S. history.
You've got hundreds of interests that were aboard that vessel. You've got the manufacturer. You've got crew member interests. I am not surprised at all that this litigation is developing in the way it is. And I expect that it will continue to expand for a while.
During a tour of the demolition site last week, the governor placed blame squarely on the Dali for the tragedy, brushing aside the NTSB's criticism the state should have better protected the bridge.
There is hardly a structure in the country that could have survived that kind of impact and that kind of size.
And we did reach out to Hyundai Heavy Industries for comment on this lawsuit. We have yet to hear back. We're live in your corner at Port Covington. Mike Helgren, WJZ.
Back and forth that continues. Mike, thank you.